Police confronts a man accused of urinating in public, but the situation quickly escalates when officers notice he's holding a baseball bat.
And it looks like this right now.
I had to put this on.
I understand that.
Walking all day.
You can't do that out in public, right on the public street.
What I'm supposed to do?
Huh?
What I'm supposed to do?
Go to a public bathroom.
I was walking. I ain't need a problem.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. I need you to set that bat down. I'm not going to take it away from you, but I need you to set that bat down. Huh?
Why?
Because I'm going to detain you.
Why?
I just told you.
What did I do?
I just told you.
What?
You were urinating out on Prospect.
How did I urinate?
Someone saw that, and as soon as I pulled up here and literally saw you with your pants down,
walking the whole day. I pissed
and I saw your
pissed
penis
in
out,
my pants.
and you were pissing right here.
I pissed in my pants though.
How would you piss in your pants if your penis was out?
Because I had to take it out. I had to piss for rapping all day.
Doesn't matter. I need to get your information. I need you to have that bat down.
I had to piss.
I understand that.
For what?
I'm not going to take that bat away from you.
But what
But I
do you
need
need?
you to set it down.
What do you need from me?
I want you to stand up, set the bat down, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
I already told you.
I didn't do shit. I'm just sitting here in the shade, bro. I'm standing in the shade.
I already told you.
What did I do?
I'm not going to tell you again.
What did I do?
I already told you.
What did I do?
I want you to set that bat
What did I
down.
do?
I want you to set
Shot truck. Police, stop! Shut your hands.
Tension turns chaotic as the man refuses to comply, swings the bat, and officers are forced to take action, ending with medics rushing in.
What am I doing?
Is there anything else?
Fuck, man.
There's back for a long prep 1, 1721. You're behind where?
You fucking wrong with that damn fucking bag.
Are you sticking out?
Stop moving, bro.
moving around, man. Alright, get out. Jesus Christ.
Have a call on that.
Are you able to get yourself up?
Yeah.
Okay. How are we going to be able to get you up?
Looking up.
Lift you up like that?
Orlando and Prospect.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, just get him sitting on right here.
Say it with me. Come on.
Hey. Hey.
Say it with me.
What's out of it?
Say it with me.
I'm trying to tell him to stand up. He's got like a broken elbow. Ambulance? Yeah, we got code one. If you could just guide him this way, because we can't get him moved.
Got a global ambulance on the way.
Are you okay?
Hit me all of my fucking right arm. Fuck! What's going on here? Fucking arm hurt. You fucking hit me with the damn bat.
That? Where at?
On my fucking arm.
What's hard? You're good to go.
Well, let's go.
Don't need any more cars for faster.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Fucking no. Yeah. Where? Where's that bat?
Right here.
Bat is here. He hit me with the bat, so I pulled my gun.
You alright?
You fucking armor.
Yes, sir.